Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with another Zombicide mini. This is Hig. He's basically a Viking. He was primed in German Panzer Grey, and I start off with Night Blue for the cloak. This one and all of my remaining Zombicide minis are probably going to be more of a speed paint sort of style, as I want to get them finished. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share anything you've been hobbying on. I also stream on Twitch if you want to come and hang out. I stream Wednesdays, Thursdays and Sundays at around 8 PM UK time. For his tunic, I went for charred brown. To finish up the leather parts, I used dirt splatter. This is different enough brown that it separates the pieces, but still looks like they belong together. Next up is all of the skin. I went for elf skin tone. For all the metal parts, I used my new favourite metallic paint, Old Silver by Darkstar. With the boots and straps, I used dark stone, just to keep that brown tint and make them pop though against the clothing. The wooden parts needed to also be brown, so I chose a bit of a lighter one with Monster Brown. Next up, I done the fur and the hair using Desert Yellow. In the artwork, these look almost the same colour, so I'm using the same paint and I'm going to use washes to differentiate them. Onto the washes, I start off with strong tone on pretty much everything apart from the skin and the hair. For the skin and the hair, I used a mid brown to add a bit of depth to it. To finish up, I blacked out the base. And that will be it for Hig, another quick simple paint job to get these minis on the table. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can join Discord using the link in the description. As always, there will be photos of this guy on my Instagram and Ko-fi page. If you want to support the channel more than you already do, you can drop a one-off tip on my Ko-fi page. These will help towards getting better equipment and just improving the quality of the videos. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, don't forget to be kind to each other.